Welcome everyone to today's video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a professional YouTube video from start to finish. Whether you're a new YouTuber or an experienced one, this video will be really helpful for you. So make sure to watch until the end. Step 1. Video planning. The first step is video planning. Decide on the topic you want to make a video about. Always pick a topic that will be useful for your audience. Whether it's a tutorial, entertainment, or informative content. Then write a short outline or script. This will keep your video organized and help viewers understand easily. Step 2. Recording. The second step is recording your video. Camera. A good camera is great, but you can also make beautiful videos with just a smartphone. Lighting. Use natural light by sitting near a window, or use softbox or ring lights. Audio. Remember, viewers may forgive poor video quality, but they will never accept bad audio. So always try to use a good microphone. Step 3. Recording tips. When standing in front of the camera, speak naturally. Imagine the camera as your audience. Use clear language and short sentences. Keep your background neat. Avoid unnecessary distractions. Step 4. Editing. Once your recording is done, it's time for editing. There are many editing software options: Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or even CapCut. Cut out the mistakes. Add B-rolls, such as pictures or extra footage. Insert titles, text, and animations. Do color correction to make your video more appealing. Add background music, but keep the volume balanced. Step 5. YouTube optimization. Now comes the most important part: YouTube optimization. Create an attractive thumbnail. Write a clickable title with proper keywords. Add a detailed description with timestamps and links. Use tags and keywords so your video shows up in searches. At the end of the video, always ask viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. So that's how you can make a professional YouTube video from start to finish. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. See you in the next one.